Hey G Squad, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious, colorful stir fry. So let's get right into it. Hey family, welcome back. So for our stir fry, these are the vegetables that I'm going to be cooking. I have a cabbage here. I'm going to use half of this. I have 2 bell peppers, red and green, and I'll be using half of the red bell pepper and the green pepper. I already have a half left. I have some ginger, fresh ginger that I'm going to mince along with a couple of cloves of this garlic. Then I have some yellow squash. I have zucchini. I have 1 carrot. Then for our seasonings, I'm going to add some hoisin sauce towards the end. I have some low sodium soy sauce. We're going to saute our vegetables in some olive oil, have black pepper, and I have salt. And that's it. I've already washed off my vegetables. Make sure you wash your vegetables off really well. And I just want to show you what I usually use. This is some Veggie wash, and I picked this up from Amazon. I will link it in my description box below. So with everything all washed off, let's get started with dicing our vegetables. Okay, I've washed the leafy part of the cabbage, so I'm going now to move this stem because it's okay. So in the pan, I added about 2 tablespoons of the oil. Then I swirled it around to make sure the bottom is fully coated. Now I'm adding in my minced garlic and ginger, and I'll let this cook for about 30 seconds. You don't want your garlic to burn because it will have a bitter taste. Okay, so now the next step is we're going to add our bell peppers and fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure you stir it up real well to mix in with the ginger and the garlic, and then also to make sure your vegetables are well coated with the oil. So now I decided to add an onion to this. So this is what you see me doing. I have a thinly sliced yellow onion, and I'm just now adding that to the pan. And so give everything a nice mix, and then allow these to go for 2 minutes. And again, just, mix everything around. You want to make sure your vegetables picks up that ginger and garlic, as well as the oil. You'll look how pretty that is, and the kitchen smells so good. All right, so the next step is to add in our squash, zucchini, and carrots. So that's what you see me doing there. And then once you get all that into your pot, just continue to stir and stir and stir and just get everything mixed. Oh, it's just a beautiful, healthy looking dish. Ooh, mouth-watering. Okay, so now the last ingredient I'm adding is the hoisin sauce, and you can also add oyster sauce to this as well. But just a note, when you're seasoning your food, make sure you do gradual seasoning, start off slow and build up, because once you add too much, you pretty much ruin your dish. So, whatever seasoning you're using, your salt, your pepper, always start off with a gradual buildup, okay? So I have the hoisin sauce in there, so I'm just giving this a nice mix to make sure it incorporates throughout the dish. And then also taste your food, as well. And if you need to adjust it, then you can do so. All right, family. So now at this point, I'm going in to taste my stir fry to see if it's to my liking. And so you're going to see that I did go back in and add some more of pretty much all the seasonings to amp it up, to give it that desired flavor that I'm looking for. And so this basically cooked for like another 5 to 7 minutes because I want my vegetables to be soft but still also have like a crispiness to them. And so yeah. So again, you're going to see me now go back in and just, adjust the seasonings. But for the most part, this dish is done. And guys, you can have your stir fry over a bed of rice. You can add some noodles to it. But in my case, I just had a taste for a big old plate of veggies. So I just opted out of the rice and noodles. And you're going to see towards the end of this video that I just plated it with strictly veggies. And so I just kind of vegged out. So now I'm giving it one final stir. And then, like I said, our stir fry is pretty much done. All right, family, so now it's time to plate this, and look at this beautiful stir fry. It tastes so amazing. And then also another thing that you could do, if you wanted to add chicken to this, you can do that. You can add some shrimps. You can also saute some mushrooms, which I'm realizing I do have mushrooms in the refrigerator that I could have added to this. But yeah, any type of protein that you prefer, you can also add that with it, as well as, like I said, the cooked rice or noodles. And then you can garnish this also like with some chopped nuts or some sesame seeds, but whatever your desire is. But if you decide to make this dish, please tag me on Instagram, and then also add a picture to our community tab. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much once again for stopping in and watching what I'm cooking up in the kitchen today. And if you like what you saw, please comment below. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. I want to thank my new subscribers and, of course, for my returning family members. And yeah, so this is what it looks like right here. And so I'm going to end this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment below, share. Until we see each other again, be well, stay positive, stay blessed. Love you guys. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.